Why do some YouTubers seem to go viral effortlessly while others grind it out for years with little to no results? You see, most people think it's about flashy thumbnails and clickbaity titles, but that's only half the story. The real secret lies in a system that I call the viral vault. Imagine having a blueprint to know exactly what to create, when to post it, and how to tap into trends before they even happen. The viral vault is exactly what top creators use to go viral effortlessly. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it step by step. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt, and I help new YouTubers monetize their YouTube channel from day one without having to worry about the YouTube Partner Program or the YouTube ad revenue. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. Through actionable strategies, real-world examples, and tools tailored for beginners, I'll help you turn your YouTube channel into a thriving business. Now, the Viral Vault is composed of 3 parts, which we'll talk about individually. Part number 1 is why you need a content calendar. Part 2 are the free tools that you use to make this simple and easy. And part 3 is how to plan and identify trends to create your content around. And if you watch until the end of this video, you'll have everything that you need to create your next viral video. Let's go ahead and jump into part number 1, why you need a content calendar. Now, I'm sure you've heard that you need to have a content calendar, but the real reason why is simple. It reduces stress, it improves consistency, and it increases your chances of going viral. Now, tell me if this sounds like you. You sit down to create content, but you wind up staring at your screen for hours, not making anything. A content calendar eliminates that frustration and wasted time, and it allows you to create effortlessly and quickly. Now, as content creators, we have to make a million decisions per day. We've got to figure out our lighting, our background. We've got to figure out what types of videos that resonate with customers and how to engage every single day. That creates a lot of fatigue. In all honesty, we spend a lot of time questioning every move that we make. If you have a content calendar, it eliminates one of the biggest questions and hurdles that you have when it comes to creating great content. Simply put, having a content calendar reduces decision fatigue. In addition, having a content calendar avoids last-minute scrambling. Now again, tell me if this is something that you've experienced. You feel like you've got to throw something out on YouTube just because you haven't uploaded in a while and it isn't really your best work. It's probably a 75 out of 100, but you feel that you've got to get it up into the internet, so you just throw anything out there. If you have a content calendar, all of that scrambling goes out the window because you've planned for weeks and even months ahead. Think about how much better you'll feel if you no longer have to scramble just to get something up. You can also improve your video quality and you can get more views and make more money in the process. Finally, having a content calendar allows you to stay consistent. If you want to get discovered in the algorithm and find your true fans, consistency is the key. A content calendar ensures that you're always showing up in the algorithm and in front of your potential customers. I'm sure you've heard this many times, but the algorithm rewards consistency. Whether it's once a week, twice a week, or even 3 times a week, you must be consistent to stay in the good graces of the algorithm gods. Now, I'm sure you're actually wondering, how do I make this magical content calendar? Well, luckily in part 2, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. The great thing about creating a content calendar is you don't need any fancy software. You just need the right tools to set it up. In this section, I'm going to reveal 2 tools that I use in order to help me build out a content calendar so that you can get started today. The first tool that I use is called Trello. Trello is a visual board that I can use to help me see things and lay them out step by step. Let's go ahead and jump into my computer and I'll show you exactly what my Trello boards look like. So in general, I have 3 Trello boards. One is my video home base, 1 is for my video ideas, and then 3 is for my weekly upload schedule. This keeps me organized and focused and allows me to upload consistently. For my video home base, you can see that I've got a silo for topics, research, writing, editing, and even videos that I've published. If I wanted to use AI or ChatGPT, I've got a section for that as well. For my video ideas, you can see I've got my video ideas categorized by related niches, proven approaches, 5 months of content in 5 minutes, I've tried it videos, and more. Again, all I have to do when I want to create content is look at one of my Trello boards and I know exactly what to do and where to go. But this last board is the board that keeps me on track the most. This is my upload schedule. As you can see here, I've got video ideas mapped out for the entire month of December. All I have to do is sit down, look at my day, have my topics covered, and make a video. Having a Trello board or a content calendar at the very least allows me to work efficiently and seamlessly to make more videos in a shorter period of time. If you don't want to use Trello, another great alternative is using Notion. There are hundreds of tools out there that you can use, both free and paid, but I don't want you to fall in love with a tool. Find one that works and get started. As you can see here, I have all sorts of Notion templates and planners for marketing, Facebook, Instagram, and even YouTube that you can make custom to your liking. The great thing with Notion is that you can actually make some of these clickable links. You can integrate Google Calendar, and you can have all of your tasks listed on the homepage. Again, all of these tools are free or relatively low cost. Don't fall in love with a tool, find one that works and move on to the next step. And the next step to getting more views and potentially going viral is to plan your content around trends. What I recommend for you is schedule your content around seasonal events, holidays, and even trending topics to give yourself the best opportunity to go viral. One of the best ways to get more views is to plan around seasonal events. For example, Christmas, New Year's, Halloween, Thanksgiving, and even Valentine's Days are great opportunities to get more views because that's what people are interested in seasonally. Spend some time thinking about how you can connect your niche to the seasonal topics that are coming up, and I guarantee you'll get more views without much more effort. For example, Valentine's Day is coming up, and I could create a video teaching the potential viewers how they could make more money with Valentine's Day. I could spend 5 minutes talking about making video content like the best gifts for her, the best gifts for your husband or wife, and then put affiliate links in the description of my videos. And just like that, I've made more money and I've gotten more views. The great thing about seasonal or holiday content, it's predictable. Every single year, Christmas is coming up. Back to school is gonna happen. So you can pencil these in as ideas to create content around for years to come. Another opportunity is to create content around emerging trends. And for this, we can actually use a few different tools to help us find different trending topics. And the great thing is we can use different free tools to help us find trending topics to make videos on. One tool we can use is a website called trends.google.com. If we jump into my computer, I can show you exactly how you can use this tool to potentially get more views right away. So as you can see here, we're at trends.google.com. If I just click on trending now, we can see what's trending up to the minute. A person by the name of Aubrey Plaza, Sony Smart, Man City. These are all things that are important right now. And now that we know that this is trending, we could create a video piggybacking off of this virality. We can even sort by country, the length of time, so the past 7 days. We can even sort by category. For example, if you are interested in food and drink, we can take a look at what's trending in that niche. We can look at all trends. But that's not all. We can also explore trends based on different search terms. So we could type in a search term like make money with YouTube and hit enter. And we can take a look and see what's trending over the past 12 months or as far back as the past 5 years. We can also sort this by YouTube like this. And now we can see what people are currently talking about with regard to make money with YouTube over the past 12 months. If we scroll down, we can take a look at related queries and related topics, and this is going to give us even more opportunity. So if we look here, we can see how much money can you make on YouTube. This might be a video that I make in the future because a lot of people are interested, or how to make money with AI. I can make a video with 3 different ways. I can make a video titled 3 ways to make money with AI, and that's sure to get more views because Google Trends is telling us that's something a lot of people are interested in. Another option is going right over to YouTube itself. If we are at youtube.com, we go all the way down to explore and click on trending. Once again, we are going to see what's trending right now. And what we can do here is we can think about how we can incorporate what's trending with our niche to get even more views. For example, maybe we talk about this soccer game and how we can connect it to growing our YouTube channel to potentially get more views. As you can see here, these videos are currently getting millions of views, and we can find a way to connect our niche to these trending topics and potentially make more money. Another option is to create videos that are both trendy and have a lasting appeal. When you do this, your content works for you both in the short and long term. Let's jump back in my computer so I can show you exactly how to do that. First, what you will want to do is think of a list of topics that your target audience is interested in. Let's say we want to teach people how to get more views on YouTube. What we can do is we can type in our keyword, how to get more views on YouTube, and add in things like the year. Another opportunity, if you take a look at my screen, is to add in some of these words at the end to modify the search just a little bit. For example, how to get more views on YouTube as a gaming channel, or how to get more views on YouTube as a music channel. As you can see, when you add in the 2025 modifier, you can see it doesn't have as much competition as if we just removed 2025 altogether. And then all you have to do is simply change every year to make sure that your video stays relevant. When you plan around seasonal topics, find trending topics, and build a content calendar, you will have no issues getting more views, staying in front of the algorithm, and getting the consistency that you're looking for. Now that you know, if you want to monetize your new YouTube channel without worrying about the YouTube Partner Program, the YouTube ad revenue, I've literally wrote the book on it. Click the first link in the description or go to Platform Proof Profits to learn how you can monetize your new YouTube channel without worrying about the YouTube Partner Program. Also, watch this video next if you want to learn step by step how to monetize your YouTube channel in just 2 days.